Co-office Block Development C&Rd Block Umsning Co-office Penroy Patpa Nongkendong Barim Tam Meghalaya Kala Rakhe ke Sngi dap ba nyau pau Snem kerta ha kalai tarik urisau ha atat kini Co-office ha Umsning. Hakini kinyo pau Snem kini Co-office kala le shibun ki kamba akijing syakri jongka ye Kishnong kathem riboy barok kawai. Hakini kesngi lakin mau buromru da kajing Rakhe kesngi kha ba shispa san pulai jong pa kajat penriu Mahatma Gandhi. Hakajingkan mau burom yu niu riu krau jong kari ba jong kaperthai barok kawai la don lang bat la sakhi de ki riu khmat ki bakentup yu kongsan ba Jason S Maulong Emily ko Umsning additional deputy commissioner ke district uba BJ Kharshandi Uraja Brahma BDO ko Umsning ki chairperson ke block development managing committee bat ki dekat ko Umsning town dorbar kirang ba shnong ki officer bat ki nong tari office sarkar. Hakani kesngi leple umau saken mau bala thok dak thamai ke preamble jong kariti sanchar kari India ubala shna batte nyo post ne minchwa min ba ko Umsning block hakata ka por latip bat khot kerteng da ka border area development block bat kedai ko office bala rim tam ha ka jela barok kawai
no tharangi lawan rapin kala pa umdi dang Umsning war ga jilla. The first it was known as a revive block. Tenung tu belong na do your independence na do sorry for the foundation of state in 1972 part lapin kala ka Umsning C&Rd. Before it was known as a revive block. It was formed established in the year 1952. Then the government of Assam. It was one of the first 5-year plan the government of India, the community development program. On the community development program is standing a block, and they have got different structure. So got extension officer, even the medical, health, rural infrastructure, drinking water, agriculture, and all the schemes are implemented from the block. The history will be said by my junior officer. He will be briefing you about the history. As a BDO along the Umsning block, I feel proud to serve here as BDO, and though it is one of the difficult block to walk due to its geographical coverage, a number of villages through, and there are different type of issues that have to be dealt with. Tambah ni Snem tam ni la treh ni, ngai kubli shibon kham tam la ya rombosno, and the chairman, the secretary, nongkit kam jong different committee ba support inga. Kham tam le with due respect to our Sir Jason and our MLA Mohati, Sir Desket Lamere, wala I contribution she pun ha on pang jong repairing of this block.